Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Eldon Rodriguez and today we are making grilled lemongrass chicken. Place the chicken into a large bag and add 1 cup of lemongrass sauce and marinade. Close the bag, toss to cover all of the chicken, refrigerate for 1 to 2 days to marinate. The night before cooking the chicken, toss the cabbage with 1 tablespoon kosher salt. Let sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. In a small sauce pot, combine the apple cider vinegar, sugar, celery seed, and mustard seed, and heat to a quick simmer, about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and pour over the cabbage. Toss to combine, cover, and refrigerate overnight. Place the chicken on the grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Salt to taste. Remove from heat and let the chicken rest for 5 minutes. Slice into 3/4 inch strips. Brush with 1/4 cup lemongrass sauce and marinade. To serve, place the chicken onto a platter and top with pickled cabbage. For this and more recipes, go to kta superstores.com/recipes. Until next time, I'm Chef Eldon Rodriguez. Aloha.